G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 22 Emerald Parkway in the popular bayside suburb of Urangan. There's a fair bit to take in. Let's go and take a look around. This well-maintained brick and tile home was completed in 2007 and is positioned on a spacious 734 square metre corner allotment offering two-street access opposite a lovely parkland reserve in the highly sought after bayside location of Urangan. You will enjoy the lifestyle and convenience that comes with having Hervey Bay's key amenities all nearby, including the Urangan Central Shopping Centre, Airport Precinct Shopping Centre, sporting grounds, schools, aquatic centre, medical centres, Marina, Hervey Bay Boat Club, beach and iconic Urangan pier only a short drive away. Upon entering this home you will notice the open light-filled design combined with a creative floor plan. There is definitely more than meets the eye with this home. The open plan living and dining area really does form the heart of this home and includes reverse cycle split system air conditioning for year-round comfort. The kitchen features ample bench and storage space plus a pantry, making it ideal for entertaining and preparing meals for both everyday and those special occasions. Quality appliances include a gas hot plate with range hood, oven and a dishwasher. The dining area seamlessly connects with the large alfresco outdoor entertaining area with shade blinds. This is where you'll take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate, the ideal place for relaxing at the end of each day. This home includes 3 spacious bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The spacious main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, large built-in wardrobe and ensuite with a shower, vanity and toilet. The main bathroom includes a bath and shower plus vanity, and you've also got a separate toilet. The laundry is located to the rear of the garage and offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the oversized double garage with one remote door and direct internal access into the home. You also have ample space to accommodate large RVs, caravans and boats. You could also add a shed and pool if desired. The owners are not testing the market and are calling for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.